We all use Google Calendar to organize our lives, but let's be honest, clicking through tabs, typing out invites, creating video links, and hunting down files to attach manually is a massive waste of your time. If you multiply those clicks across a whole month, you are losing entire days to pure busy work. What if you could handle all of that for your entire week or month in just one single clean spreadsheet row? In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I built this automation engine and how you can use it for free. I've broken it down into 4 levels and stick around for tier 4 because that's where the script automatically hunts down your files so you never have to search your Google Drive during a meeting again. Let's dive in. Let's start with the foundation. Tier 1 simplifies the entire calendar experience down to 3 basic pieces of information: your event title, start time, and end time. All you have to do is type those few details right into your row and click the custom scheduler button at the top of your screen. The moment you click it, boom! It instantly appears on your calendar. No opening extra tabs, no tedious typing, just pure instant scheduling. Now a quick heads up for when you click that scheduler button for the very first time. A Google window is going to pop up saying authorization required. Don't panic, this is 100% safe. I built this entire system using Google Apps Script, which is Google's own built-in engine, because the code has to create events on your behalf. Google security system standardly flags it to make sure you are the one giving it permission to run. The best part, the code lives entirely inside your own private Google Drive. It doesn't send your data to an outside server, and absolutely nobody else, including me, can ever see your data. So when the prompt shows up, just click Review Permissions. Select your account, click the small advanced link at the bottom, hit Go Scheduler Unsafe, and click Allow. You do this exactly once and it's unlocked for life. Back to the tiers. Tier 2 is all about keeping your week visually organized. If your calendar is just one giant blob of the same color, it's impossible to prioritize. So I added the drop-down menu directly into the sheet where you can select native calendar colors like tomato, basil, or tangerine. You pick your style, hit the scheduler button, and the spreadsheet automatically color codes your day before you even look at your calendar app. In Tier 3, we turn your spreadsheet into a communication hub. Now, you can type your colleagues' or students' email addresses right into the guest column. Right next to that, I built a smart toggle. Just type the letter Y for yes if you want a Google Meet link, or N if you don't. When you press the scheduler button, the script connects with the Google servers, generates a brand new video conference room, embeds it into the invite, and fires off the official invitation emails to your entire guest list automatically. Tier 4 is a time saver, the feature I promised you at the beginning. Instead of making you email files separately or hunt for them inside your Google Drive, when a meeting is already starting, you just paste the file sharing link right into the spreadsheet row. The script instantly reads that link, extracts the file, and embeds it directly into the calendar description when you hit scheduler. When your guests open their calendar notification on their phone or computer, their lesson plans, slide decks, or meeting agendas are already waiting for them right inside the invite. If you're ready to grab your copy completely for free, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Then check out the comment section below to get the link to this automation. I've pinned the link right at the top. Just drop your email on my workspace page, select the tier level you want, and I'll send the exact file straight to your inbox. By subscribing and joining our weekly workspace community, you'll get access to brand new automation tools and shortcuts I drop every single week. Drop a comment below and let me know how else can we improve this specific tool and what should I build for you next. Let's keep innovating together. Thank you so much for watching and keep things simple.